Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn most important MCQ on fundamental rights. Your first question: Fundamental rights are enshrined in which part of the Indian Constitution? Correct answer: Part 3. Fundamental rights called the Magna Carta of India, borrowed from the USA Bill of Rights. Your next question: Fundamental rights are covered under which articles? Correct answer: Article 12 to 35. Your next question: Article 12 defines which term? Correct answer: State. State includes government, parliament, legislature and local authorities. It also includes statutory bodies. Private bodies are not directly included unless performing public functions. Your next question: Which article deals with laws inconsistent with fundamental rights? Correct answer: Article 13. Your next question: Equality before law is guaranteed under which article? Correct answer: Article 14. It is the foundation of right to equality. Your next question: Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth is guaranteed under which article? Correct answer: Article 15 allows special provisions for women, children, SCs, STs and OBCs. Your next question: Equality of opportunity in matters of public employment is provided in which article? Correct answer: Article 16. Your next question: Abolition of untouchability is enshrined in which article? Correct answer: Article 17. Your next question: Abolition of titles is mentioned in which article? Correct answer: Article 18. Your next question: Article 14 to 18 deal with which right? Correct answer: Right to equality. Your next question: Which article guaranteed the right to freedom? Correct answer: Article 19 to Article 22. Your next question: Freedom of speech and expression is guaranteed under which article? Correct answer: Article 19. Your next question: Protection in respect of conviction for offence is provided under which article? Correct answer: Article 20. Your next question: Right to life and personal liberty is guaranteed under which article? Correct answer: Article 21. Your next question: Protection against arrest and detention in certain cases in under which article? Correct answer: Article 22. Your next question: Article deal with right against exploitation. Correct answer: Article 23 to Article 24. Next question: Which article prohibits human trafficking and forced labor? Correct answer: Article 23. Next question: Prohibition of employment of children in factories is provided under which article? Article 24. Next question: Right to freedom of religion is covered under which article? Correct answer: Article 25 to Article 28. Next question: Freedom of conscience and right to freely process, practice and propagate religion is given under which article? Article 25. Next question: Freedom to manage religious affairs is under which article? Correct answer, Article 26. Next question. Freedom from payment of taxes for promotion of any religion is under which article? Correct answer, Article 27. Next question. Freedom from attending religious instruction in certain educational institution is under which article? Correct answer, Article 28. Next question. Cultural and educational rights are guaranteed under which articles? Article 29 to Article 30. Next question. Which article protects the interest of minorities by allowing them conserve their culture, script and language? Correct answer, Article 29. Next question. Right of minorities to establish and administer educational institute is guaranteed under which article? Correct answer, Article 30. Next question. Which article guarantees under right to constitutional remedies? Correct answer, Article 32. Next question. Who described Article 32 as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Correct answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Which article restricts fundamental rights of armed forces, police and intelligence agencies? Correct answer, Article 33. Next question. Restrictions on fundamental rights when martial law is in force in any area are provided under which article? Correct answer, Article 34. Next question. Which article empowers Parliament to make laws for giving effect to certain fundamental rights? Correct answer, Article 35. Next question. Under which article is the term Hindu mentioned in the Constitution? Correct answer, Article 25. Next question. Under Article 25, the term Hindu includes which religions? Correct answer, Buddhism, Jainism and Sikhism. Next question. Right to property is currently regarded as a correct answer, constitutional or legal right. Next question. Right to property was earlier a fundamental right under which article? Correct answer, Article 31. Next question. Right to property was removed from fundamental rights by which Constitutional Amendment Act? Correct answer, 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978. Next question. Reservation for economically weaker sections is provided under which article? Correct answer, Article 15 Clause 6 to Article 16 Clause 6. Next question. Which fundamental rights cannot be suspended even during a national emergency? Correct answer, Article 20 to Article 21. Next question. Fundamental rights are justiciable in nature, meaning? Correct answer, courts can enforce them. Next question. Under which articles can a person approach the Supreme Court or High Court for enforcement of fundamental rights? Correct answer, Article 32 to Article 226. Next question. Freedom of press is implicit under which article? Correct answer, Article 19. Next question. The Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 was passed to enforce which fundamental rights? Correct answer, Article 17. Abolition of untouchability. Next question. Right to form cooperative societies became a fundamental right through which Amendment Act? Correct answer 97 Constitutional Amendment Act 2011. Next question. Right to information is recognized as a fundamental right under which article? Correct answer Article 19. Next question. Right to livelihood and environment has been interpreted as part of which article? Correct answer Article 21. Next question. Right to education was inserted as a fundamental right by which Amendment Act? Correct answer 86th Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. Your last question. Which article provides for judicial review of laws inconsistent with fundamental rights? Correct answer Article 13. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel.